Hello friends, welcome to the Nifty weekly analysis. So this week analysis is going to be for starting on 27th March and it'll end on 31st March, and we're going to have a weekly holiday on 30th March, that is falling on Thursday due to Sri Ramanavami. So the weekly expiry and the monthly expiry is, so basically there is no weekly expiry. Monthly expiry is going to be on 29th March, that is Wednesday. And we have 4 days of trading in the coming week. And let us analyze the current week and the current trend and see what the outlook for the next week of Nifty is going to be. So let me start with this screen. Okay, and this is the current week candle. As you can see, this green line is a 100 weekly moving average. The current week has opened slightly below that and it tried to go above, but it took resistance and it eventually closed lower. But it is not, it didn't close below the support that was stopping the fall of the previous week. Even the current week also is taking support from the same level. This is one point to be noted. And another point we have to consider while analyzing the weekly movement of Nifty is that the overall weekly trend seems to be in a consistent downtrend, and this particular blue line has been the support that acted and pushed the price up to all-time high at this point. So this blue line connects this point to the COVID lows. So that has been broken at during this week. So this uh, COVID low rising trend line has been broken during this week, that followed with 3 weeks of lower closes. So this can be confirmed as a very strong breakdown below this COVID support trend line. And now let us look at a different perspective of the weekly chart. So here, as you can see, this particular the support line from which both these weekly candles are taking support can be found as a support here also uh, during the fall. I mean, and during the support that Nifty took while going and making this all-time high. So here also it acted as a support, and during the previous 2022 fall also it acted as support at multiple times for the weekly candles. So while Nifty made a small bearish candle this week, it is still above this support and it is yet to break this support. And one more thing that we have to understand is here, after every 3 weekly red candles, there has been some consolidation happening, and then Nifty was making a new low, and after new low, there has been some consolidation that happened, and it made a new low. But here, it made 3 consecutive red candles, and the fall is considerably steeper than the previous trend. So while it looks like Nifty is about to fall further and it might even break the support, I think right now we may see some consolidation happening, 1 or 2 weeks of consolidation happening, given the previous trend and how Nifty has been falling previously. Looking at the chart, it is tempting to say that Nifty might break down below this, but that will be too steep a fall, and I don't think it will be happening right away next week. It may happen, there are chances, but we will know that when this support is support of 16,840 if it breaks during the week. But until that support is not broken, I am thinking, and I am strongly inclined to think that there is high probability for a consolidation week to happen. And let us see if a consolidation is going to happen, how it will play out. Looking at the daily time frame, we will just drill down to the daily time frame for a better understanding of how next week may play. So, okay, here as you can see, the first resistance for Nifty will be coming at 17,100. If Nifty is trying to go above, that is the high of the Friday candle. So if Nifty tries to go above now to do a consolidation part, it will has to break this 17,100, and after 17,100 is broken, the next resistance will be at 17,220 level, like that. And if this level is broken, we can see a rise up to at least 17,300 or 17,400 levels during the week. I'm saying, not just in one day. So what does that make the weekly candle look like? Going back to the weekly candle, so if a week is opening anywhere here and going up, it can go all the way, uh, up to 17,400 sometime during the week, and maybe it can even fall lower later, make a kind of this type of candle, which will look strongly bullish enough. And this will be the close of the month of March also. So in that case, the March month will be looking, so as of now, the March month candle is looking very bearish. And but if we are going to have a weekly close, let us say above 17,200, then it will be like this. It will still be a red body, but with 2 weeks, one support week and one rejection week. The support week will be coming from this level. So it will become a spinning top after 3 consecutive red candles. So this can be followed by either most likely this will be followed by a red candle, because a spinning top in a downtrend doesn't signify a reversal. In some rare cases, a reversal will follow spinning top, but most of the cases in a downtrend, after a spinning top, there will be a long red candle. So if consolidation is going to happen next week, the consolidation candle might be rising up to 17,400. We don't know where it will close, but it can go up to 17,400, 450 levels, or even beyond, depending on the bullish movement during the week. But then it might also be followed by another red candle during the first week or second week of April. And the overall, by the end of April, we might see price breaking down this support of 16,850, and can even close lower. But for the next week, the higher probability is to see a green candle, which might be closing above, or uh, most probably it would be closing above 16,200. And we will know that when 16,200 is broken during the week. But if 16,200 is not broken during the first 2 days of the week, then we'll be having just another 2 more days only in the week. And in that case, you might see a small green candle as a consolidation happening during the week. So that is the overall outlook for the next week. And but for the green candle to be forming during the week, like I said, 16,100 has to be broken and 16,200 has to be tested. And if that is broken, we might see even longer green candle. Otherwise, the index might be playing between 16,200 and 17,000 level during the week. So that is the overall technical outlook for the next coming week, that is 27th March to 31st March. And we'll be meeting during the post market analysis also. So during the as further clues emerge from the market, I'll keep discussing about how the week is progressing also. So until then, see you, and do subscribe to the channel if you like this video. These are no nonsense, straightforward technical analysis videos. There will be no conspiracy theories. no baseless theories, just simple what market is telling us and what we can understand from that. And we'll see you again in the next post market analysis video.